In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a secure loan on Revolut, what you need to know. First, you'll need a Revolut account. Make sure you can log into the app and that your identity verification is fully completed, since lenders need to know who you are before they can assess your application. It also helps to update the app to the latest version so you see the most accurate options for your country and currency. Double check that your personal details, address, and income information are correct in your profile. This reduces back and forth and speeds things up. Next, apply in the app. Open Revolut and head to the section for loans or credit. You'll be able to choose how much you want to borrow and for how long, usually using a simple slider or input fields. Take a moment to use the built-in calculator to preview different repayment terms and monthly amounts. Aim to borrow only what you truly need and pick a term that keeps repayments comfortable. You can do this whole process without leaving the app. Revolut will then check your credit. This is a standard part of the process and helps determine whether you're eligible and what rate you'll be offered. In some regions, the initial check may be a soft search, with a hard check when you proceed. Always review the disclosures shown in the app. Be ready to confirm your income and employment details if prompted. Providing accurate, up-to-date information helps the system match you with the right offer. If you're eligible, you'll get an offer. This typically shows the amount available, the interest rate, the term, your monthly repayment, and the total cost of the loan. Read everything carefully, including any fees, and try adjusting the amount or term to see how it affects your monthly payment and the total you'll repay. Make sure the repayment date aligns with when you usually receive income. When you're happy, accept the offer and receive the money. You'll review the credit agreement, confirm your choice, and select where the funds should be paid. In many cases, the money arrives quickly in your Revolut account. Consider turning on automatic repayments or reminders so you never miss a due date. You can often make extra payments early to reduce interest, but check the terms for any early repayment rules. If you decide not to proceed, you can back out before confirming. And if you're declined, you can revisit later after your financial situation improves. That's the process from start to finish. Simple, transparent, and all inside the app. Borrow responsibly and make sure the repayments fit your budget.